What are the three things an investor can do to manage their properties with ease?
So I love this question because I have taken a lot of what I know in helping my parents and my family, other family members, right? Who everybody wants to get involved. Oh, show me how you're doing that, right? I love looking at some of like the REIT clients that I've had and how they go through not only acquiring their assets, but holding them and managing their assets. They're very risk adverse. I'm going to give you the three things I would say. Definitely going into it with the right mindset, making sure that that's really the foundation. How are you going to view this asset? What are your plans for that? Like that mindset, knowing what your plan, what you're going to do, not just, oh, I'm just going into it. And some of it you do have to go into it as it comes, but really having that plan, the mindset, I think starting there, making sure that you have the right team, the team that you have laid out, making sure you have a strong team. You can, when things come up, you have people that you can call on, making sure that you're building those foundational pieces. And then your processes, I cannot stress this enough. People many times when they're starting off, they're doing it, maybe they're using Excel sheet or whatever they're doing to keep records, keep book. But if you have a plan to grow and scale, it's better to start with those processes when you have one, when you have two, when you have three, and then you can scale from there. But go into it with the process. Don't think, oh, I have two, so I don't need to. I'm not going to worry about that now. Worry about it now while you have the time and the space before all of these assets. Then you're acquiring more, right? And then you're in a pickle.